solve one previous question of combinatorics. This question was asked in GATE CS 2021 set 1 question number 19. There are 6 jobs with distinct difficult levels and 3 computers with distinct processing speed. Each job is assigned to computers such that the fastest computer get the toughest job and the slowest computer get the easiest job. Every computer gets at least one job. The number of ways in which this can be done is dash. So let assign name to each computer. Let C1, C2 and C3 are the 3 computers. Let C1 is the slowest and C3 is the fastest computer. And we have 6 jobs J1, J2, J3, J4, J5 and J6. Let J1 is the easiest job and J6 is the toughest job. So it is according to their increasing difficulty level. Easiest job will assign to slowest computer and difficult job will assign to fastest computer. So J1 will assign to C1 whereas J6 will assign to C3. Now J2, J3, J4, J5. We have 4 jobs left and that we need to assign C1, C2, C3 in such a way that every computer will get at least one job. So 4 jobs, 3 computer that we can assign in 3 power 4 way. How many ways we can assign J2, J3, J4, J5 to only C1 or C3? Only C1 or C3, that will be 2 power 4 way. So total number of ways how can assign J2, J3, J4, J5 to C1, C2, C3 that every computer will get at least one job will be 3 power 4 minus 2 power 4. 3 power 4 when we are assigning these 4 jobs into this 3 computer and 2 power 4 when we are assigning these 4 jobs into just 2 computers C1 and C3 not C2. 3 power 4 is 81 minus 2 power 4 is 16. 81 minus 16 is 65. So there are 65 ways in which we can assign 6 jobs into 3 computers such that the fastest computer will get the toughest job and the slowest computer will get the easiest job and every computer will get at least one job. J2, J3, J4, J5 we assign to all 3. Then how can I assign to C1, C3 and we subtract? This is one way. There is also another way to find the answer 65. Suppose from J2, J3, J4, J5 one job we assign to C2 and rest 3 jobs to C1 and C3. So how can I assign that one job into C2? It's 4C1 rest 3 jobs into C1 and C3 that is 2 power 3. So 4C1 multiplication 2 power 3 is 32. Then 2 jobs from J2, J3, J4, J5 to C2 and 2 jobs to C1 or C3. So that 2 jobs into C2 we can do in 4C2 way and 2 jobs to C1 or C3 that we can do in 2 power 2. So 4C2 multiplication 2 power 2 is 24. Next 3 jobs from J2, J3, J4, J5 to C2 and 1 job to other C1 or C3. So 3 jobs we can do in 4C3 way and 1 job to C1 or C3 we can do in 2 way. 2 power 1 is 2 way either to C1 or C3. So 4C3 multiplication 2 is 8. Next all 4 jobs J2, J3, J4, J5 to C2 and 0 job to C1 and C3. So all 4 job to C2 it can be done in 4C4 means 1 way and no job to C1 or C3. Now what we'll do, we'll just add this thing. So 32 plus 24 plus 8 plus 1 is 65 and we got answer as 65. So in both way answer is 65. Before solving PYQ, first go through the lecture that you can easily understand. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.